Hi everyone, my name is Aleysia and I'm a certified nursing assistant, also known as CNA. Interviewing for a CNA role can be super nerve-wracking, but I'm here to share some tips to be able to help you to prepare for the interview process. I'll be covering what you can expect during an interview process, review common questions, and also provide some example answers for you. Now, if you're new to interviewing for certified nursing assistant role, you might be wondering, what can I expect from a CNA interview? A CNA interview usually consists of a two-part interview, and it first starts with a phone interview just to get a little bit more information about yourself. At that point in time on the phone, you will also be guided to set up an in-person interview. The next step would be an in-person interview, of course. You might be wondering, who do you interview with? A representative from Human Resources or even a nursing supervisor from the specific unit could be interviewing you based on the specialty unit or facility that you're working in. How should you dress for an interview? Your attire should be business professional, your hair should be groomed, your face and hygiene should remain clean. You want to ensure that they are focused specifically on what you're saying rather than what you are wearing and your appearance. If you're looking for more career-guided content, company reviews, or new job opportunities, you can create an Indeed account to customize your job feed and get started. So now that we know what an interview process looks like for a CNA, let's talk about common questions you might be asked and what CNA recruiters are looking for in your answers. Recruiters could ask, tell me about yourself. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? What do you believe are your personal strengths? What do you consider your weaknesses? And lastly, the main question they will most definitely ask is why you want to work for this organization. Now that we know some common interview questions that could be asked, let's talk about some answers that employers are looking for. Employers are looking for answers that are straightforward, show how compassionate you are, and show how you will be the best fit for this position. You want to make sure you are honest. You want to make sure your answers reflect the type of person that you are. And you also want to be confident in your answers to show them that you are sure of yourself and you are sure you can do this type of work and job. Just so you know, it's just as important to ask questions in your interview as it is to answer them. Ask questions about the job, ask questions about training. Anything that you are not familiar with or are curious to learning more about will cause you to stand out to potential employees because it shows that you care about the role that you're applying for. Looking for more tips on how to succeed in an interview, be sure to check out this video right here. Here are some quick tips or advice for someone who is interested in getting a job in healthcare. You want to apply to multiple places to increase your chances of getting hired. You want to network and connect with different facilities, volunteer if needed, and lastly, do not give up. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. For more career tips, I recommend you checking out this playlist. I hope you found this information helpful and are able to apply it to your next interview prep. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye!